Hello and welcome back to freeCodeCamp's Applied Accessibility Challenges. This is make screen reader navigation easier with the header landmark. The next HTML5 element that adds semantic meaning and improves accessibility is the header tag. It's used to wrap introductory information or navigation links for its parent tag and works well around content that's repeated at the top on multiple pages. So like it says here, if we want to have introductory information, we can add that to the top of our page in a header element, and it could have information for the parent as well. So the header shares the embedded landmark feature you saw with main, allowing assistive technologies to quickly navigate to that content. Note, header is meant for use in the body tag of your HTML document. This is different than the head element, which contains the page's title, meta information, etc. That's an important one. Your head is usually outside of the body, and it contains meta information about your site. The header will be within the body, and as it says, is more for introductory information or navigational links. So Camper Cat is writing some great articles about ninja training and wants to add a page for them to his site, changing the top div that currently contains the H1 to a header tag instead. So he wants to add a page for them to his site. The top div currently contains an H1, which is here. We want it to be a header instead. So again, this would allow people's screen readers to jump to the header section and get that main idea quickly. If it was a div, it isn't as meaningful as specifically making this the header. So again, all this accessibility stuff is great for not just for screen readers and those who need it, but also to organize your information thoroughly, correctly. It also is good for SEO purposes, to be found on Google. Organizing your information is very important. But yeah, so we switched our header here, then we got our main down here. Those are separate. Then within our main, we have our articles. So that's looking beautifully. Should be able to run, test, and pass. And we did. And if we just look over here, it's basically that blog we've been kind of working with. Or actually, this isn't the blog. This is something else. But though we can't see any of that stuff we're doing, it definitely is categorizing everything the way that we have it set up here. But as long as you're understanding that about the header, that we use it again just to organize our information and help those with screen readers to find those important parts of the page. As long as you're understanding that, you guys are getting this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.